Australia, the land of endless wonders, offers some of the most breathtaking urban landscapes and natural sceneries in the world. Explore the streets of Australia's iconic cities in unparalleled 8K ultra-resolution, a journey through vibrant culture, stunning architecture, and luxurious destinations. From world-famous landmarks to hidden gems, immerse yourself in the essence of modern luxury and timeless elegance. Join us as we unveil Australia's cities like never before, showcasing the best spots to visit, walk, and experience the billionaire lifestyle. Sydney, the crown jewel of Australia. Begin your journey at Sydney Harbour, home to the iconic Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge, best viewed during golden hour. Take a luxurious stroll along Circular Quay, buzzing with upscale dining and high-end boutiques. Visit Bondi Beach for pristine sands and an affluent coastal vibe. The Bondi to Coogee Walk offers breathtaking ocean views. Explore the Rocks, a historic neighborhood filled with chic cafes, luxury hotels, and unique shopping experiences. Ascend Sydney Tower Eye for panoramic views of the city skyline and indulge in a gourmet meal at its revolving restaurant. Melbourne, the cultural capital. Walk down Collins Street, known as the Paris End, for its luxury stores and fine dining establishments. Marvel at the street art in Melbourne's laneways, a perfect blend of creativity and urban sophistication. Visit the Royal Botanic Gardens, an oasis of tranquility in the heart of the city. Enjoy a riverside walk along the Yarra River, dotted with trendy bars and elegant restaurants. Attend a show at the Melbourne Arts Centre or an exclusive event at the Crown Casino Complex. Brisbane, a river city with a luxury twist. Cruise down the Brisbane River on a private yacht for unmatched views of the city skyline. Walk through South Bank, an upscale precinct featuring world-class galleries, a man-made beach, and gourmet dining. Ascend the Story Bridge for an adventurous climb paired with luxury sunset views. Stroll along Queen Street Mall, Brisbane's high-end shopping destination. Enjoy a luxurious escape at the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, offering exclusive animal encounters. Perth, where urban meets nature. Experience Kings Park and Botanic Garden, one of the world's largest inner-city parks, offering unmatched views of Perth's skyline. Walk along Elizabeth Quay, a modern waterfront precinct with fine dining and luxurious ferry rides. Explore Cottesloe Beach, a favourite among locals for its clear waters and upscale beachside cafes. Visit Fremantle, a nearby port city known for its rich history and trendy boutique shopping. Dine at award-winning restaurants that highlight Perth's fresh seafood and international cuisines. Adelaide, a sophisticated escape. Wander through the Adelaide Botanic Garden, a serene haven filled with exotic flora. Visit North Terrace, home to Adelaide's cultural institutions and elegant architecture. Walk through the vibrant Adelaide Central Market, offering gourmet local produce and artisanal treats. Explore the nearby Barossa Valley, a luxurious wine region just a short drive from the city. Dine at rooftop restaurants offering spectacular views of Adelaide's skyline. Hobart, a blend of heritage and luxury. Stroll through Salamanca Place, a historic area transformed into a hub for art, dining, and luxury shopping. Walk up to Battery Point for charming streetscapes and stunning views of the harbour. Visit Mona, Museum of Old and New Art, an avant-garde attraction offering exclusive experiences. Enjoy a seaplane tour of the pristine waters surrounding Tasmania's capital. Taste fresh oysters and gourmet delicacies at waterfront restaurants. Darwin, tropical elegance. Walk along the Darwin waterfront, featuring luxury hotels, stylish restaurants, and a wave lagoon. Explore Mindle Beach Sunset Market, known for its upscale crafts and delicious global cuisines. Visit Kakadu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site offering luxury wilderness retreats. Cruise on the Adelaide River to see crocodiles in their natural habitat from a safe, luxurious vessel. Relax at Sky City Darwin, an opulent resort and casino with breathtaking ocean views. Canberra, the capital of prestige. Visit the National Gallery of Australia to admire its exclusive art collections. Stroll through the Australian National Botanic Gardens, a peaceful escape filled with unique flora. Explore high-end dining at Manuka or Kingston, renowned for their gourmet offerings. Take a helicopter tour to enjoy panoramic views of the city's symmetrical design and lush surroundings. Great Barrier Reef, a natural wonder of the world. The largest coral reef system on Earth. Perfect for luxury scuba diving and snorkeling. Crystal clear waters, vibrant marine life, and isolated islands. High-end resorts like Lizard Island offer ultimate seclusion and comfort. A must-see for those seeking adventure and relaxation in nature. Accessible by private yachts for an exclusive experience. Uluru, Ayers Rock, a sacred icon of Australia, one of the country's most famous and spiritual landmarks. Located in the heart of the outback, with a majestic presence. Known for its rich Aboriginal cultural significance. Offers luxury glamping experiences with incredible views. The changing colors at sunrise and sunset are a photographer's dream. A unique destination for those seeking a connection with nature. Great Ocean Road, a scenic coastal journey, one of the most beautiful drives in the world, stretching over 240 kilometers. Pass through luxury resorts, vineyards, and rainforests. Famous for the 12 Apostles, stunning coastal cliffs, and beaches. Best experienced in a luxury convertible or private tour. Perfect for a road trip with a view of some of the world's most dramatic landscapes. The Whitsundays, tropical paradise in the Coral Sea, a collection of 74 idyllic islands off the coast of Queensland. Known for white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and luxury resorts. Hamilton Island and Hayman Island are famous for their exclusivity. Ideal for sailing, yachting, and enjoying first-class beachfront villas. A destination for those looking for privacy and natural beauty. Tasmania, untouched beauty and outdoor luxury, a haven for those seeking natural beauty and luxury adventure. Explore pristine beaches, rugged mountains, and lush forests. High-end retreats offer wellness and relaxation in stunning surroundings. Known for its gourmet food and wine, including fine dining and whiskey distilleries. Perfect for nature enthusiasts who want to combine luxury with outdoor exploration. Barossa Valley, Australia's premier wine region, a globally renowned wine region known for its premium Shiraz. Luxury wine tours with private tastings at historic wineries. Stay in beautiful vineyard retreats with stunning views. Experience gourmet dining paired with world-class wines. An ideal destination for wine connoisseurs seeking a luxurious getaway. Kangaroo Island, a wildlife sanctuary and luxury retreat, an island paradise filled with unique Australian wildlife. Stay in luxurious eco-lodges with oceanfront views. Watch koalas, kangaroos, and sea lions in their natural habitats. Perfect for nature lovers looking to combine luxury with wildlife experiences. Known for its gourmet food and wine, especially fresh seafood.